In this video, you will learn how to use the Mounjaro Quick Pen, which is a disposable, multi-dose, single patient use, pre-filled pen. These instructions do not replace the patient information leaflet and instructions for use that come with the medicine, and so you should always be advised to read these carefully before administering the medicine. This information does not take the place of talking to your doctor, pharmacist or nurse about your medicine, your condition or your treatment. Each quick pen contains 4 fixed doses. 1 dose to be taken weekly of either Mounjaro 2.5 milligrams, 5 milligrams, 7.5 milligrams, 10 milligrams, 12.5 milligrams or 15 milligrams. Regardless of dose, each quick pen injection will inject 0.6 milliliters of solution in a single weekly injection. After 4 doses, dispose of the pen. Do not share your Mounjaro Quick Pen with other people, even if the pen needle has been changed. You may give other people a serious infection or get a serious infection from them. People who are blind or who have vision problems should not use the pen without help from a person trained to use the pen. On the screen, you will see the parts of the Mounjaro Quick Pen. To inject, you will need the following supplies: 1 Mounjaro Quick Pen, 1 Quick Pen compatible needle, a swab, some gauze or a cotton ball, and a sharps disposal container. First, we need to prepare to inject Mounjaro Quick Pen. The first step is to wash your hands with soap and water. Pull the pen cap straight off. Inspect the pen and label and do not use if the medication name and dose strength does not match your prescription, if the pen is expired, looks damaged or the medication has been frozen, has particles, is cloudy or is discolored. Mounjaro should be colourless to slightly yellow. Wipe the red inner seal with a swab. Select a new pen needle. Always use a new pen needle for each injection to help prevent infections and blocked needles. Pull off the paper tab from the outer needle shield. Push the capped pen needle straight onto the pen and twist the pen needle on until it is tight. Pull off the outer needle shield and keep it. This will be reused. Pull off the inner needle shield. That cap can go in your household bin. First, you need to prime your pen. Priming removes air from the cartridge and makes sure that your pen is working correctly. Slowly turn the dose knob until you hear 2 clicks and the extended line is shown in the dose window. This is the prime position. It can be corrected by turning the dose knob in either direction until the prime position lines up with the dose indicator. Hold your pen with the needle pointing up. Tap the cartridge holder gently to collect air bubbles at the top. Release some medicine into the air by pushing the dose knob until it stops. Then slowly count to 5 while holding the dose knob. The 0 icon must be shown in the dose window. Do not inject into your body. Your pen has been primed if a small amount of medicine comes out of the tip of the needle. Choose an injection site. You or another person can inject the medicine in your thigh or abdomen at least 5 centimeters from the belly button. Another person should give your injection in the back of your upper arm. Change or rotate your injection site each week. You may use the same area of your body, but be sure to choose a different injection site within that area. Turn the dose knob until it stops at the 1 icon is shown in the dose window. The 1 icon is equal to a full 0.6 milliliter dose. Insert the needle into your skin. Inject the medicine by pushing the dose knob until it stops. Then slowly count to 5 while holding the dose knob. The 0 icon must be shown in the dose window before removing the needle. Pull the needle out of your skin. A drop of medicine on the needle tip is normal. It will not affect your dose. Confirm the 0 icon is in the dose window. If you see the 0 icon in the window, you have received the full dose. If you do not see the 0 icon in the dose window, insert the needle back into your skin and finish your injection. Do not redial the dose. If you still do not think you have received the full dose, do not start over or repeat the injection. If you see blood after you pull the needle out of the skin, lightly press the injection site with gauze or a cotton ball. Do not rub the injection site. Carefully replace the outer needle shield. Unscrew the capped needle and put the needle in a sharps container. Do not store the pen with the needle attached to prevent leaking, blocking the needle and air from entering the pen. Replace the pen cap. Do not store the pen without the pen cap attached. Full details of how to store your Mounjaro Quick Pen and how to dispose of your Mounjaro Quick Pen and pen needles will be shown at the end of this video, followed by troubleshooting information.